I'm Meline Rose here at the 10th anniversary of Haitian Businesses, and I have the beautiful Anika Verret here with Kreyòl Essence. How you feeling today?
I'm feeling fabulous. Thank you. How are you?
I'm doing well. You're looking fabulous. I'm loving this green and the pearls on the shoes. You're welcome. So I know you work in marketing at Kreyòl Essence. Is that correct?
Absolutely.
All right. So tell us a little bit about the role that you play at KE.
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm here today really on behalf of Kreyòl Essence. Yve-Car was one of the women that was honored today at this event. Unfortunately, her grandma passed last week, so she wasn't able to be here. So I'm absolutely honored to be here. What I do is the digital marketing, so the SMS and the email. So when our customers sign up to our email list, I'm the one sending those emails, keeping you guys entertained, keeping you guys educated on the products, on how to use them, and everything from scalp care, skin care, all of that. And also, I also see the partnerships. So when we do different brand collabs, when we onboard creators and influencers, I also oversee that as well.
Nice, nice. I saw you writing those handwritten notes.
I'm very proud of my notes.
Okay, so working for a Haitian-owned business, what does that mean to you?
It's honestly such an honor. I remember when I first heard about Kreyòl Essence was through my sister. She was like, "Oh my gosh, like I saw this brand on Shark Tank."
Yeah.
And I know, because I love castor oil. Like I'm one of those firm believers of like, something hurts, that's just how I am. So my older sister, she saw it on Shark Tank and she was like, "Anika, like you would love it." And I've been a customer since they've been at Ulta, since I've known about them. And so I follow them on Instagram, and literally on a random Wednesday afternoon, Yve-Car was live with the what was her name? Wendy from the Real Housewives of Potomac. And then right at the end, she was like, "We're hiring, by the way." And that's literally how I heard about it. And I wrote her the next day on LinkedIn. I was like, "You don't know me, but I was watching you last night and I would love to work there." Like I put in my application, and literally, everything progressed from there. I went through the interview rounds, and now I moved to Miami. I work full-time for Kreyòl Essence, and it's such an honor, growing up in Haiti, working for a company who's broken down so many barriers for Haiti, the first Haitian brand to be at Ulta Beauty, the first Haitian brand to be at Whole Foods Market. It's an honor, to see Haiti being broadcasted to the world in such a positive light. So it really is an honor for me.
Well, I love everything that you guys are doing at KE, and as the marketing head, you're doing amazing, okay? So keep doing it, and thank you so much for celebrating the 10th anniversary at Haitian Businesses with us.